vessels. They do have a new setup which I really like. It's in home center, but I feel like all these flowers are very pricey. If you guys kind of know, I'm kind of very fond of mirrors. Shopping done. So me and Mama are going. Yeah. So first off, we are heading to Shell. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this time I thought I should start the vlog in another way, that is by introducing myself. For those who don't know me, my name is Aksa Afsheen and I'm from Bangalore. So I'm currently heading to IKEA, so I thought I should take you guys with me. So let's go check it out. For me to show you around what's there, so let's go check it out. So I found this interesting place that is sealed towards the corner, that is the kids corner, that is the small land. I feel like it's good for grown-ups or someone who just wants to leave their siblings. So they offer a service of leaving children for free for 45 minutes. And how it works is that you just have to fill the registration form, and they have certain activities that they cater throughout the week. They have different set of activities, and after 45 minutes you can pick up the child or your sibling or anything. I feel like this service was not something that is known or seen to people. That's why I thought I should tell you guys about this. Have a new setup which I really like. I like the wallpaper. And look here from here. And this setup is so good. Like, look at the mirror, and each mirror, so basically a mirror of 4 is $799, which I really like. And look at this, the full length mirror, which is 6,000 rupees. Just give me 1 second. It's so nice. It's 6,990, which I really like, you guys. Oh wow, the closet. Look at this. This is something new, you know. See, these are the kind of storage units that I'm looking for. These boxes are really nice, so I thought I should show you guys this. So this wardrobe combination, like, see, so good, guys. I really like the setup. Like, it is like nearly 8,990. I think it's really good. Oh yeah, so these kind of baskets. Oh, it's pink. Okay. So I've seen one thing, like if you go to grocery stores like Stories or any kind of premium grocery stores, they have these cutesy black and white baskets, you know. It's from IKEA and those are like 699 rupees. These ones you get it in a lot of colors, which is amazing. I feel like I should get one pink one just to keep it in my makeup vanity. So moreover, I'm like such a person who's drawn to like a lot of crockery, and I can see, look at this glass. I really like. Like these glasses are like basically $4.99 for 6 pieces, which is a good steal deal, guys. I like this. And these also, look at these. These are really nice. Oh yeah, these are also like $4.99 for 6 pieces, which is so good. Like look at this, it's very classy. Something that's clean and simple should always be there at home, Flowers are something that everyone should decorate their house in. And if you guys really want good flowers, you actually get a good ones in home center. But I feel like all these flowers are very pricey, so you have to see if there are like certain offers that are going on. That time pick out your flowers, or else you can always pick it up, because these are something that will remain at home. Those sofas are like quite comfy, Like, but I've seen one thing, like every sofa, it's not a complete set, but each sofa piece is different. Like this one is like 20,000, and that one, a smaller one, which is a 2-seater one, is 17,000. But it's quite comfy, something that, if you feel like you're gonna keep changing your house again and again, I think you should invest in pieces that are very affordable but not high end, so that you know that you can always keep changing as well. Good amount. Like most of the mirrors I can see start from like 7,000 rupees and then go above. So not many places offer good mirrors. I feel like IKEA is the best place to get your mirrors. So, and it's pretty affordable for mirror prices, It's everywhere. I feel like it's very European style kind of cup, It gives that kind of elegance. I feel like people have displayed things so nicely that I will keep them in the place it is, because I have a background of interior as well as styling and architecture, so I know how much effort we put into all these details. So I do know the value of things. This is one of my favorite places because the aesthetic one and this one for that one. This one, I have it for my makeup. So I stack my makeup in this, but this can be even useful for kitchen as well. So multi-purpose things, you know. So most of the things I keep it for my vanity and all. But for anyone who's a mom or someone who's into cooking and all and needs storage kind of things, you know, these things are pretty handy. These things I use it for my fashion and makeup. You can use this. These also can be used as storage units, you know. This is like, one is like 7,000 rupees, which I think is really nice. You can even store things or even like your paper, sheets or anything, you know. Something that I utilize it for my shoe closet, and it's pretty handy. You know, from 2 years I've been having this, and I can tell you that there's no damage or there is no kind of dirt. I was kind of skeptical about the fact that it's white in color, but the thing is that, you know, I really like that the product stayed the way it is. There's no stain, no dust, anything. And I don't need to keep cleaning it also. It's too good, you guys. I'm going to recommend you guys should get something like this. I like this. See, they have like stuffed pictures and all. I haven't thought about it. So everything comes very dismantled. This glass sheet comes and another sheet comes. They have done a creative ideas like putting your pictures here or you know, making it more creative. You can get fun with it and it's a good purchase, I feel. If you guys kind of know, I'm kind of very fond of mirrors and I'm going to show you guys so many of them.